+/15.8 acres of truly picturesque land in Northern Greene County. The fact that it's a blank slate means you have the opportunity to design and build the property of your dreams. With 9.5 acres of land very level to rolling and the remainder sloping, there's plenty of space to work with. The land is mostly cleared, with a few trees scattered throughout, giving it a lovely natural feel. The level to gently rolling terrain offers versatility in terms of building and landscaping. Currently a portion of the land is being used for hay, with Plum Creek bisecting the property, adding a touch of serenity. The presence of a large 33 by 36 barn with a 44 by 36 attached shed is incredibly useful for storage or potential projects. The recent road cut to the top of the property is a fantastic feature, as it provides easy access and showcases the magnificent mountain views and stunning sunsets. With over 700 feet of road frontage, accessibility won't be an issue either. The fact that the current owner is adding a deed restriction for only site-built homes is great news for maintaining the quality and integrity of the neighborhood. This opportunity is simply outstanding, and you will have a chance to create a truly extraordinary place to call home. Note: do not enter paved driveway leading to the home is not a part